first questions I always ask my clients, what are your biggest frustrations when it comes to personal style? 9 times out of 10, they usually respond with the same thing, and it is shopping. Feeling overwhelming when they're shopping, not knowing what it is that they're looking for, and not being able to find what it is that they're looking for. If this is you and you also get frustrated with shopping, then you're going to want to stay tuned to the end of this video and also for the next few videos I upload, because I'll be sharing with you how I like to prepare for a shopping trip. Boss. My name is Tony. I'm a personal stylist and the founder of allthingstony.com, where I help women like you to discover and enhance their personal style. If you, like many of my clients, have experienced those frustrating shopping trips, then you know that they usually do not end successfully. There's usually 2 outcomes. Either you don't buy anything at all and you've wasted your time, or you do buy something and you've wasted your money because you only wear it once or you don't wear it at all. This is true especially if you've had to drive far to a mall somewhere, or if you've saved up money specifically for shopping, and then you start shopping, whether it's online or in the store, and you realize that you can't find anything you want, and at that point you kind of just convince yourself to just buy anything because you don't want to waste your time shopping, so you end up wasting money. The reason why you're having this problem is because you do not plan. That is one of my biggest rules when it comes to shopping as a personal stylist. Before I even think about shopping for a client, I always make a plan. That is the first thing that I do, and shopping is usually one of the last things that I do. So today I'll be discussing step 1 of the process, discovering your personal style. I like to define personal style as your preferences for colors, fabrics, silhouettes, prints, anything that you love to wear. Since it's specific to your preferences, that means it's going to be different for each person. Knowing your personal style when shopping is really important, because when you see an item, you'll be able to immediately determine whether you like it or not and whether it's your style or not. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you a free PDF guide on how to shop like a stylist. In that guide, you'll learn my step-by-step process to help you prepare for your next shopping trip. So let's get into the process of discovering your personal style. Step 1 is to review your recent outfits. So this can look like looking at old photos, scrolling down your own social media account, or even just looking at the pieces that you have in your closet. For step 2, I'm going to have you make 2 different lists. The first list is going to be made up of things that you love, and then the second list is going to be the things that you don't love. So when you're reviewing your wardrobe, I want you to consider the colors, the prints, fabrics, silhouettes, the fits, everything that you really do like or you just really do not like at all. When you're making your love list, these need to be things that you absolutely love. Like, I want you to be real with yourself. I also want to share with you a list that I made a while ago of the things that I loved about my wardrobe at the time. So for the list of things that you don't love, I want you to write down the things that you've worn or tried and you just were not 100% in love with. Here's an example of the list that I made a while ago. So for step 3, I want you to go deeper. I want you to review each and every detail individually. For example, say we have this imaginary shirt here, and something I might write on my love list is that, oh, I love the sleeves on this shirt. I think that they're very classy. And then something that I might write on my don't love list is I don't like the fact that it's cropped. And that is true. I do love classy sleeves. I don't like cropped shirts. I do want you to take notes of description words as well, like the word classy I use for the example, because those are going to come in handy for the next video. Really think, why do you like this item, or why do you not like this item? You have to be very specific. Step 4 is to stick to your list. This list is ultimately you defining your personal style. This list is also very useful for shopping because it kind of works as a guide for things that you want and things that you don't want. And also when it comes to trying new trends, instead of trying every single trend, you can pretty much know which trends you want to try based on the things that you wrote down that you like and you don't like. And also having this list can help you be more confident and authentic because you've chosen things very specific to your liking. I want you to hold on to your 2 lists because you're going to need them for the next video where I teach you how to find style inspiration based on what you wrote. Click the link below to get your free PDF guide on how to shop like a stylist, and subscribe to my blog for more freebies and updates on the next blog post.